Seasons change, a rhythmic trance, a dance of life, a timeless chance. The leaves turn brown, then softly prance, a blanket of color in nature's dance. The ocean rolls a mighty lance, its tides ebb and flow, a fluid dance. The stars above a twinkling glance, a cosmic dance in night's expanse. The birdsong fills the air, mood enhanced. A sweet melody of pure romance, flowers bloom in vibrant dance, a beauty that no one can mischance. The wind may howl or softly prance, but nature's beauty will enhance. A constant cycle in life's advance, a testament to nature's dance.